Well, heavy rains yesterday caused some problems in the Pittsburgh area.
Now, several people had to be rescued after they were trapped by floodwaters. A creek in Sewickley Township went over its banks. The water surrounded several homes and flooded out a road. 5 people and 5 dogs had to be rescued by a boat. It was the second time in 11 years some of them had been rescued because of flash flooding.
I was in bed sleeping, and the New Sewickley police called me and asked me how I was doing, and I told him fine. And he asked me how the water was, and I said I don't know. And I got up and looked, and I was like, uh-oh, it ain't good.
And the rain started around midnight. By 3:30 a.m. it was 3 feet over the road.